Hello, mathematicians, puzzlers, and other curious people. In this video, we're going to investigate some sequences and decide whether they seem to be arithmetic, geometric, or something else. Let's get started. First, let's try calculating the difference between each pair of neighboring terms. Since the terms have a common difference, this seems to be an arithmetic sequence. Now let's calculate the differences for this sequence. This sequence does not have a common difference, so it is not an arithmetic sequence. Let's check how we could move from one term to the next by multiplying instead of adding. Since we found a common ratio between terms, this seems to be a geometric sequence. Here is another sequence. Again, we will start by checking the differences between terms to see if this could be an arithmetic sequence. There is not a common difference between terms, so this is not an arithmetic sequence. To see if it could be a geometric sequence instead, let's calculate the ratios between neighboring terms. This sequence does not have a common ratio between terms either, so it is neither arithmetic nor geometric, but rather it is some other kind of sequence. Here is yet another sequence. Let's check whether it has a common difference between terms. One reason we look for a common difference first is subtraction is easier than division. Since we found a common difference between terms, this seems to be an arithmetic sequence. For this final sequence, we will start by checking for a constant difference. This sequence does not have a constant difference between neighboring terms, so it is not arithmetic. Now let's figure out whether the sequence could be geometric by checking for a constant ratio. Since we found a common ratio between all neighboring pairs of provided terms, we conclude that this is a geometric sequence. Figuring out what kind of sequence you are working with helps make it possible to continue or jump ahead in the sequence. Calc. You, later.